አኮኩሉ ፋሚሊ የመረጃ የምክርና የአውታረ መረብ መድረክ ነው። ለእናንተ ጠቃሚ የሆኑ መረጃዎችን በጤና፣ በትምህርት፣ በንግድና በተለያዩ የማህበራዊ ጉዳዮች ይዘላችሁ ይቀርባል።
I have served the U.S. Navy for 15 years. I was discharged with honor and been serving the community, established a business, raising kids, a beautiful life that I've been living here. All of a sudden, on an early morning of one weekday, somebody was knocking on the door really fast and powerfully. And I opened the door. I was right by the door. And I said, "Have you applied for citizenship?" And I replied, "Yes." And they picked me up. And they deported me to Jamaica. And you know what? Life has been so different. I've been miserable in Jamaica because all my loved ones are in Virginia, in US. And I don't know what the reason is. I know I can remember so many years ago, I was held in possession of marijuana and I was in jail for a couple months. Other than that, I haven't been violating US law. I haven't been harming the economy. I've been paying taxes on time. I've been serving the community in the truck business. What else can I do? But now, 8 years in Jamaica, I've been living away from my family. Here in Jamaica, even the Wi-Fi does not work efficiently. How can I survive here? Miserable life. This is a testimony of one of U.S. veterans who was, sadly deported from this country, wrongfully deported from this country. So the new act, the new proposed act, a Chance to Come Home Act, is proposing that the U.S. Department of Homeland Security has to establish a centralized system, a centralized office, which is independent of USCIS, independent of ISIS, and works by itself with its own budget. This office will go case by case of those deported from the U.S. wrongfully, those deported from the U.S. while their cases have been pending in court, those deported from this country because they opposed the immigration move while they were in jail. This was taken against them, against their immigration cases. So what now? Now, this campaign is going widespread in this country, and they're saying that these wrongfully deported immigrants have to come back to the United States, have to reunite with their families, with their loved ones, have to come back to support the economy, to pay their taxes, to do their businesses in their community. So this is a campaign going on. By the way, this has been a law for a long time, but now this additional law suggested by these Democrats is stating that this law has to be really given a good attention and its own new budget. So it really is practical on the ground. Right now, they tell you, they will bring them back, those removed from the United States. But this is not true. It's false. Because the act is here, but it's not in effect. It's not enforced. So now let's enforce it with the new, better way of doing it, with the new, better way of treating cases which were, done wrongfully with the previous administration, even with the Biden's administration. So they're now discussing this matter. I will put the link in the comment for you for the reading and knowledge. Good luck.
ዌብሳይታችንን አኮኩሉ ፋሚሊ.com ይጎብኙ። በሶሻል ሚዲያም ከተሉን። አኮኩሉ ፋሚሊ